All right, Disney Cruise Line fans, we are here with some Disney Cruise Line updates, some ship restarts, and some updated information for y'all that we're going to get into right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we are here to talk about Disney Cruise Line and the restart of 2 more Disney Cruise Line ships. Now, the Disney Magic is already currently sailing over in Europe, and the Disney Dream has already resumed sailing from Port Canaveral. Next to join her is going to be the Disney Fantasy, which will return to sailing this September 11th, also from Port Canaveral, doing 3 and 4 day trips out to Disney's private island of Castaway Cay. So just some quick reminders about Disney Cruise Line's protocols. All guests over the age of 12 must be fully vaccinated. Any guest under the age of 12 must provide a negative COVID-19 test taken up to 5 days prior to sailing upon arrival at the cruise port, and all cruise passengers, regardless of your vaccination status, will be given another COVID-19 test at the cruise terminal. Now, they have also announced that the Disney Wonder is also going to return to sailing, and she will return on October the 1st, beginning in California, where she will be doing California sailings and down into the Mexican Riviera. Now, just like her sister ships, the Dream and the Fantasy, the cruise protocols for California sailings remain the same. So everyone over 12 will have to be fully vaccinated. Under 12 must arrive at the cruise port with a negative COVID-19 test, and all passengers will be tested at the cruise terminal. So even if you are sailing from California, the protocols are the same across the Disney fleet right now, sailing out of the United States. Now, the one exception to that is the Disney Wonder is scheduled to do a Panama Canal cruise on November the 5th. That one particular cruise right now, all cruise passengers must be fully vaccinated regardless of your age. So if you are, for an example, too young to get the vaccination, you're not going to be able to sail on the Panama Canal cruise. All cruise passengers must be 100% vaccinated for that cruise. And that's just the November 5th Panama Canal cruise when she moves from California back over to Texas. If any other cruises come up with a similar or the same requirement, we'll of course will let you know, but that is the only one that I know of right now that requires 100% vaccination on a Disney cruise. Now, if you have any upcoming Disney cruise booked, I remind everybody again, definitely go to the cruise line's website and make sure you are familiar with all of the health and safety protocols that are going to be required on your ship. They change constantly. Just yesterday, we had a big change through Carnival Cruise Lines where the time requirement for testing went down by 24 hours. And this just happened yesterday. So definitely go check your cruise lines websites again. Make sure you know all of the health and safety protocols. Make sure you have met all of the requirements before you head to the cruise port or by the time you get to the cruise port, so you are not denied boarding. Too many stories of people getting to the cruise ports and not knowing that they needed something before they get on the ship, and then they don't get to go on their cruise and they don't get to enjoy their vacation, and I don't want to see that happen to anybody else. So definitely check your cruise line's protocols. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.